Hi, hi Alex. Uh, I'm going to tell you now how to integrate your React Native application with Firebase through your text field and buttons. So you can enter anything from your textbooks, and once you will click on the button in your React Native application, it will add those data into Firebase. So let me start. First of all, let me check. Okay, so here is my application. It's running now as I showed in previously. So in the existing code, you need to add a component called touchable highlight. Sorry. Okay. So these are all these component will be enclosed in the view component. So component type touch highlight, you will set any style sheet for the buttons and for text fields as per your requirement. So now as you can see here, I set the button style sheet. You can change anything, like here you can set any CSS directly here, or you can uh, add any CSS in the styles, and you can just add the name of the CSS, and it will be used here. So I think it's I already cleared this in previous videos as well. So on press, once anyone will click on this button, it will call which function. So this will call to do add to do function, or you can say add, and can change any name, add data. Okay, so once you will click on here, and you will see here the function name is add to do. I am just changing it, add data. Okay, so this function will be called automatically once you will just undo the name I have used, and then you can change the color as well, underlay color as well, and then the text field you will use inside the button to display the add. Like if you want to display add, or remove, or any text inside the button, you can use here. You can uh, create the size as well, like we have a font size function here. You can use the font size, and 20. Once okay, you can see here the button is okay. You can also set the alignment as well, like align item, center. Need to check. uh, you can use here, or the alignment should be centered uh, through the touchable height here. Button is fine. Not an issue. Literally, why it's not working, but I'm sure it should work. Let me check one more time. You can define the width here. I think it will be 100 or 50 pixel. Okay, height is fine. Activity check. Okay, so this is the basic text of the field. You can set here 40. Okay, you can set as well 50 for the fix. Yeah, it's fine. But it's not working for the alignment. It should work. Technical is fine. So text justify. No. One moment, let me check. Check for the text. One moment. This is fine. If I want to layout, right here, text line, auto left center. Text line is here as well. Let's check for the right part. It's working. It's working for the right. Why it's not working for the left or center? For the center. Yeah, it's working. Text line. Okay, I think I was using something different. I think text. I was using, I think, item, align item. Yeah, that's wrong. So you can use a text line. Okay, so you can align any kind of text here and set the width as well. You can set width is auto width will be fine. I think width will be in 300. Maybe 350. Let me check for the width part. Text width is on size cover. Okay, so we have to specify the number only. Now we need more, 70. it will be fine. So here is a button you can see, and you can change the alignment, the CSS part as well according to your requirement. So right now I'm just setting up the uh, functionality how you can add the data from text field to Firebase. Okay, so this is not a big part, so one moment, sorry. So now here is a touchable highlight button which is displaying, and once you will add here, it will get the value of this first name and last name, and then this will push the data to the Firebase. So now on the press I'm using button, here is a this dot add to do button, add to do function. Once you will go to this function, you can see add to do. So here is a function name is add to do, you can see. So you can put this function near to the constructor function as well. Okay, and you can check as well that this dot state dot new td. So this is the same name, you can check same name from the first name I have mentioned here. The on change text is here, the value is this dot state dot new td. The value of this function, if it's empty, if this is empty not equal to blank, if it's not empty, then it will push the item, this dot item reference dot push. Item reference is a object from creation from the Firebase variable which you have created from the URL. This is your application path, and Firebase.child. So it will not replace the previous item, it will add new child, new items again and again, and it will not replace like previous video I have shown. Like you can see, I have added a number, first name and last name, and second time I used again, it replaced the previous one. So through this variable Firebase connection dot child, this is the item name you will use here, and now it will create another this dot item reference. Once you will use this item reference dot push button, you can add this into the first name. So first name I will add this part state dot new to do. You can add it, and if it's not empty, then it will call to the, it will set by default any value, like if you want to like 1 2 3 anything else, so it will set by default any value. So now let me run this application. Sunny. Let me open the Firebase. As you can see here, I'm getting Sunny here. I'm going to remove these things now. Okay, these are the previous one, you can also remove this if you want. Okay, so now I'm going to again run this application. So like I will add here Alexandra, then trying to add the button, then you will see here automatically reflection first name Alexandra. Okay, so now if you want to add another field data, you can again use this field as well. Like here you can use first name, and this for second part we can use here is what to check, yeah, this state on change button. For the value I will yeah, for this state dot new to do text. Okay, it's fine. You can also copy this all the line. so you can use this. Okay, so once you will copy and paste here, you can change here last name, and once this one is okay, you can add also here last name. Okay, so let's try. I think there is some error. 113. Let me check. One moment. Okay, so here is it. The value would be this part. I need to do text. Okay, let me check if it's working. Yeah, it's not an error. It's in last name. Okay, there is some undefined need to do. Okay, we need to specify this also in the constructor function, I think. Let me check. One moment. Yeah, this state. So you have to specify this also. This dot you can new to do, or you can you can use also same function as well. Like if you want to use new dot state here, and you can change the name of here. Sorry, here. Yeah. You can change here last name. Now if it not giving any error, it's fine. Okay, it's fine, I think. So you can use this keyword, same keyword, uh, from here to last name. Okay, now let's try one more time. Yeah, it's working. Like it's sunny here and Verma. Okay, so when you click on the add button, first argument contains undefined property items dot last name. This is the error. Oh, okay. Items dot last name. 123 line. One moment. Okay, so this is not working for this part. So you can use here new to do text same for the. Okay, and let's try one more time. Sun Burma. So this is working for same. I think the last name, because I'm using here new to do, so I can use here last name. Now let's see here. Yeah, you will see a first name and last name. So this is a part you can use in your recording part. So uh, I'm just adding two fields here from first name and last name. You can add through your coding part to Firebase as well. So, and you can also remove the existing um, fields from your application. Like you can set any function, remove fields, and to remove the existing data through your application, and you can just put the command and it will remove the any field from your Firebase. Okay, so this is the application, and you can just one more time, Alexandra, like you want to add anything else like Ting, one more time. Okay, so now move to the spot. You can see here is a link. Okay, so I think this is the part I am just giving you. So if you need anything else, you can ask me any question in the description part. I will explain you. And yeah, that's it. Thank you.